What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be fixing a leaking shower hose. As you can see, the metal part slipped off, and there's actually a pinhole leak spraying water out at the top of the valve there. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, so we have a leaky shower hose, and what happened was this piece right here has a pinhole leak that caused water to spray out all over the place, and then it got into this piece here, which weighed it down and just caused it to come off like that. So all we have to do with this one is an actual like store brand, and it lasted like for years. So I think we got a good deal out of it. All we got to do is just unscrew this. And you can see that I actually just used my hand to do it. I actually loosened it up with just my hand. No tools necessary. This piece here, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this, but I'm holding the camera with my other hand. So let me see if I can't do it, then I'm just going to put this down. But all you got to do is unscrew it, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, I changed the camera view. All this is just screw off just like that. And then we've got this, one long bad hose. And all I'm going to do is switch it out with another hose that I bought from the store. And it's simple as that. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, here's a new hose. Take this piece. I'm going to go lefty-loosey first and then go righty-tighty. That helped me from, it helps prevent cross-threading. So there we go. That's this one end, and I'll show the other end in just a sec. Okay, so I've got the shower head just sitting in this cradle right here. Take the other end, plug it right up there, go lefty-loosey first, make sure it catches, and then go righty-tighty. That's it. A shower head replacement in less than 5 minutes. Just make sure you buy the right part for whatever shower head that you have. Like sometimes they're not all like these metal braided types or whatever. So I just got lucky, made sure I went into the store and picked up the right hose. That's it, all done. Let me know if you have any questions.